Hello guys, our today's dish is sauteed bean sprout with pork and tofu. And for this dish, we will need pork belly, mung bean sprouts, tofu, onions, garlic, fish sauce, and black pepper. It's almost cooked. Put it on a plate and let's start sauteing the onions and garlic. Add the fried pork belly. The black pepper. And the fish sauce. Let's now add the fried tofu. Mix the tofu with the rest of the ingredients. After some time, let's pour some water. Bring it to boil. Add the bean sprouts. And mix it well. Now, our sauteed bean sprout with pork and tofu is ready to serve. For more simple and easy to cook dishes, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.